Hi everyone, this is Coach Study and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Love to listen to the content I do produce for you. Everything that I do on this channel is to help you grow your business. Maybe you want to self-improve your self into being a better person. You can watch my videos. All right, I do talk about things that you need to improve. All right, and I share with you the weak areas everybody have in their lives. Okay, this video I'm going to talk about 7 tips how to achieve your goals. Okay, working toward long-term achievements can be mentally and physically exhausting, and it can be a letdown to work towards a goal and not see results as quickly as you were hoping for. But if you work smart, achieving your goals is possible no matter what your goals are. I am giving you 7 tips to help you to achieve them. And number 1 is that you need to write down your goals, even if you know what you want. um, Proving yourself, actually writing it down, your goals is very more effective than thinking about it. Make sure that it is visible to you so that you can have a continually reminder of what you are set out to achieve. All right. And let's go to the next slide. Tip number 2, be patient with yourself. Achieving this goal wasn't built in a day, but know that for you to reach your goal, it will not necessarily happen very fast, okay? It's not going to happen super fast. It will likely take you hours and hours of your very own hard work. So the best thing in life often takes time, and this will make it more rewarding when you take your time. Um, you must be able to have a mental picture and create on the inside on what you want to see manifested on the outside. And when you do this, you will dramatically improve your quality of life. So every day you should be do some meditation on what you want. All right. Be patient. Take one thing at a time. Picture one and imagine one thing at a time. This is by chance what you call the law of cause and effect. There's 2 exercises I want to give you. Is that I need you all to identify a self-limiting belief that could be holding you back, and you need to challenge it, and you need to imagine that it is not true. So what would you do? You need to learn to change it. And then exercise number 2, think about your outer life, your work, and your relationships. Are you happy with your life? If not, what are you going to do about it? And then tip number 3, make time in your week for goals. Instead of you trying to rush through a project, you need to allow yourself an hour a day or take a day of a week to work on a small sub goal that you will contribute to your overall vision of what you're trying to accomplish. Now, doing this weekly in little small segments, this will help you prevent you from feeling stuck or frustrated in your attempt to achieving your goals. Okay, and then we have tip number 4, and this is one of my favorites. It is to celebrate your achievements, okay? No matter how you feel, no matter how small it is or how tiny you have achieved something, you go ahead and celebrate. All right, sometimes it can feel like you're not going anywhere, but if you see a little thing that you have done that you have accomplished and it was really good, then that's a good thing. Okay, so go ahead and celebrate it. Give yourself praise for it. All right, always work actively, working towards something. All right, remember that these goals are called long-term goals for a reason. So find a way to reward yourself. Always find your way to reward yourself of a favorite snack, maybe, or maybe a favorite activity, or whatever you want to do to make you feel good, all right, to make you happy, to continue working on that goal. Remember, these goals are long term, all right? So go for it. Tip number 5, remember the roadblocks are not failures. Okay, this phase, one door closes and then another one opens. So, well, that's not inspiring. It's factual. Sometimes life have to have a different plan for how we achieve our goals. So the next time you hit a wall, remember to be kind to yourself. You never know what could be around the corner, all right? So life changes, all right? Your goals will change. So accept them, go on, don't quit, don't give up, all right? Keep going. And plans will always change for you. So set a fresh new goal for you and aim for it. And then tip number 6, listen to criticism and do not take it personally. Criticism are not a personal attack on your work. They aren't a chance for you to get defensive and possessive of your work and goals. Instead, take the criticism, turn it around, use it to refine and improve your goal. Okay, everyone? Criticism is actually good for you. Criticism allows us to double check our work with our new eyes, our new insight, and then we can create something even more amazing to replace that criticism. All right, this is really good. You need to work on this area. And so don't take criticism like an attack or a personal attack. Create something, replace it with something amazing. And then finally, everyone, tip number 7 is to work with like-minded people. And this is especially important tip for you because it is easy. And whenever you feel like you are stuck, you have people you can follow, you can model after successful people. You can talk to them, you can collaborate with them, you can share similar goals. Actually, follow people that believe what you believe in, okay? Get inspired with them, you get inspired with them. I have exercises that can help you do these things. All right. Here's a tip. Make a list of the people you associate with most. And would you like to be with those people sometimes in the future? Well, if you're not in front of them, maybe they're online, maybe you're following a successful mentor, then go ahead and do it online. Try to call them. A lot of people, successful people, like to message each other. There's a lot of social media out there that you can reach out to those successful people to help you become successful. And they will help you become successful because they are like-minded people just like you. So spending time with rich relationship with successful people will actually help you reach your goals. All right, guys, thank you for all listening to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, watch my other videos, be inspired. Press the like button, leave a comment. I'd like to hear about your feedback and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate all and everyone that is subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Keep track with me. I'm going to upload more videos for all of you to help you reach your goals and to become successful. All right, God bless and talk to you soon.